Today I'm going to guide you step by step on setting up your own PayPal account. You could have many different reasons why you want a PayPal account. For me, in this channel, the different gigs that we're going to do all pay out through PayPal, so we want to make sure we get paid. The first thing I'm doing here is just going to Google and searching PayPal sign up. Looks like there's a security challenge. You just need to do the reCAPTCHA to show that you're not a robot. Didn't even have to do it this time. And then you sign up for PayPal. So enter in your email address that you want to use and give out to people for PayPal. So make sure it's somewhat professional at least. Next, you enter a phone number. Now, normally when we're signing up for things, I don't like to enter my phone number. I don't want to get a bunch of texts or calls or anything like that. But there doesn't seem to be any way around this. This is a critical step in creating your PayPal account. So just this once, for this reason of just getting paid in general, we'll go ahead and enter a phone number. And it says by continuing, you confirm that you're authorized to use this phone number and agree to receive text messages. Carrier fees may apply. I really hope they don't send a bunch of texts or anything like that, but once again, there's nothing we can do about it. So let's go ahead and enter our phone number. It says confirm your phone, code sent to your phone number. You can either resend the code or just enter in the code if you did get it. Also, it looks like there's an option with call me with a code, so they can call you and tell you the code, I guess, through an automated system. All is good with that. Got the code, entered it in. Now it says go ahead and create a password. After you enter the password, then it's going to say personal information, your legal first name, your legal last name, your street address, apartment, suite, building, and then the fine print says by creating a PayPal account, you confirm that you're at least 18 years old and agree to our e-sign disclosure and consent, user agreement, and privacy statement. Fill that out, and then it says agree and create account. We agreed and created the account. Now it says glad you joined us. What would you like to do first? So you can shop, send money, or get paid. I'm not really exactly sure what your use for PayPal is, but I don't necessarily want to shop with PayPal. I'm assuming you can connect a credit card to do that, or you can send money if you need to send money to somebody, and get paid. So accept or request money for whatever you need. That's what we want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click get paid. The next page is create your username. Make it easy to pay you fast. I like that. You'll need a username to continue. And then it says by continuing, you agree that customers can see your name and username. So once again, want to make this professional here. You can skip this or change it in our privacy settings. You may lose account access if your username or profile is offensive or violates our acceptable use policy. So if you're giving this out to these different companies that are going to pay you for, doing surveys or focus groups or whatever, you want it to be pretty professional anyway. So let's go ahead and create our own username. And then once you do that, it says share this link to get paid. So it's paypal.me / the username that you've just created. And then continue, or you could just do not now, but we're trying to get paid here, and a lot of the things that we're signing up for through this channel, when you sign up, they're asking for your PayPal information so they can get it linked up right away, which is, I think, a good thing because that means that it's a pretty good chance you get paid pretty quickly. Okay, we are in, and we know that we're logged in because it says log out here. So the options here are send, request, contacts, or more. Request money from anyone. You can request multiple payments from up to 20 people. Just to make sure everything is good with the PayPal, we have our UserTesting.com account that we're signing up for. And the last step that we have here to do is connect the PayPal account. So let's just make sure we have the right PayPal information, it's working, and we can go ahead and connect it to one of these gig online websites. Okay, it takes us to the PayPal account. Connect your PayPal account to UserTesting. This lets UserTesting receive personal info like your email, country, account verification status, and PayPal ID. Let's say agree and connect. You're now leaving PayPal, so you went from the place that you're trying to make money by your freelancing. It connects to PayPal. It had a little nice integration. You agreed to connect the two, and now it's taking us back to the area where we're gonna go and do the services for that money online. We scroll down here and it says connect your PayPal account. So this is great because I was already logged in, so I didn't have to even enter my PayPal information because I was logged in. It just automatically connected things, and now it says done. So for example, I do one of the user tests here or enough to get paid. My PayPal account is linked, and now I can receive that money there. That's it for today. Very quick, but very important if you want to get paid. Make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos about how to make money online and from home. And watch this video on screen now so you can see other opportunities we've used to make money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.